Hey, quick question. Why can you remember the Nike swoosh, but forget the name of that designer you saw 5 minutes ago? Why do some colors make you want to click faster? Why do simple websites just feel more trustworthy? Today, we're going deep into the psychology behind design. Logos, fonts, colors, layout tricks, they're all whispering to your brain, and you don't even know it. Stick around, and you'll never look at a website or your own designs the same way again. 1. Why you remember logos, not names. Our brains are wired for pictures, not paragraphs. It's called the picture superiority effect. Visuals, especially symbols, are processed faster and stored longer than words. That's why you can recall Apple's logo instantly, but not always remember the name of the app you downloaded yesterday. A logo becomes a mental shortcut. It signals identity, emotion, and recognition in one hit. Words? They take work. Logos? They just click. So if you're building a brand, make the mark memorable. Clean, bold, and distinct wins every time. Fun fact, studies show people remember images 60,000 times faster than text. That's not just design, that's evolution. 2. The colors that make you click buy. Ever wonder why so many buy now buttons are red or orange? Welcome to color psychology, your silent salesman. Red equals urgency. Danger. Act fast, orange equals energy. Buy me, I'm fun. Blue, it's calm, trusted. Think banks and healthcare. Green, eco-friendly or go. Great for wellness brands, but it's not universal. Color meaning shifts with culture and context. Amazon uses orange for action. Spotify? All green, all about the vibe. Pro tip: if your button blends into your page, it's invisible. If it pops, it converts. Studies show using contrast-colored CTAs can increase conversions by up to 35%. 3. Why we trust simple designs. More. Ever land on a clean, minimalist website and just feel calm? That's called cognitive fluency. The easier something is to process, the more we like and trust it. Harvard researchers found that users judge a website's credibility in less than 3 seconds. And it's mostly visual. Busy layout, tiny fonts, distracting animations. Brain goes, too much. I don't trust this. White space, clear structure, legible text. Your brain relaxes. You're in good hands. Want to build trust fast? Start by removing noise. Make your design feel like a conversation, not a lecture. 4. How fonts affect mood and trust. Fonts are the outfit your words wear. Serif fonts, like Times New Roman or Georgia, feel traditional, academic, trustworthy. Think law firms, newspapers, sans serif, like Helvetica or Inter, feel modern, clean, techy. Think Apple, Google, startups. Script fonts? Great for elegance, emotion, personality, but hard to read at scale. Here's the trick. Don't use fonts just because they're trendy. Use fonts that match your message. A luxury brand with Comic Sans. Disaster. A kid's site in Roboto Mono? Also weird. Typography sets tone faster than the actual words. Choose wisely. 5. This one UX trick increases trust in 3 seconds. Ready for a micro hack with macro results? Faces. Yep, human faces on your site or app boost trust dramatically. Why? Mirror neurons. When we see a face, we subconsciously reflect its emotion. That creates connection. Add a friendly customer photo next to a testimonial. Trust spike. Use your own face on your portfolio. Boom, instant personality. Bonus trust trick. White space. Let things breathe. Give your content room. And third, testimonials. We trust others more than we trust marketers. Social proof works because it feels real. Design isn't just visual, it's psychological. Now that you know the secrets, look around. The best designs aren't loud. They're clever. They work with your brain, not against it. If you want more science-backed brain-hacking design tips, this is the place. Hit like, smash subscribe, and share this with your creative crew. Let's build brands people remember and trust without even knowing why.